Hi guys, we're making strawberry syrup. It's also called coulis in French, and you need two ingredients only: the confectioner's sugar or powdered sugar and the strawberry coulis that is homemade, and I have a video at the end of this video on how to make that. So basically you just need two ingredients. I had the food coloring too, but I decided not to use it, and the color didn't turn out spectacularly pretty. Let's be honest, the color is a little bit ugly, but the scent, the aroma is just really, really, really good. So I highly recommend it. Give it a try because you are absolutely going to love it if you like strawberries. Consider subscribing if you're here and you value the work that I'm doing. A thumbs up is always welcome, and share the video on social media with your friends as well. I also have playlists with a lot of different categories, so check them out. You might find something that you like as well. Those are the cupcakes, and that's the coulis. I'm gonna leave a video there for you to check out how to make those cupcakes too. Chaito.